Hello, my name is Jay from Kryptoia. Today I'm very happy that the Assets of the Future events is full house event.
What I think about the topic is very interesting because, as we all know, traditional assets are not really great at keeping up with inflation, at the least. So, and we all know that cryptocurrencies has taken a huge battering recently in the markets due to market forces. So, what I personally think is a great time to go into cryptocurrency investments because we know that blockchain is getting more and more prevalent, and a lot of it is based on cryptocurrencies usage.
We're talking about how Vaultex Labs is going to be an asset of the future. We're an exchange back-end and platform provider, so really we're bringing the institutional level security and speed that you'd think about for financial exchanges to cryptocurrency. And that's going to be really important and an asset to the future of cryptocurrency as people require security and speed at the level that they expect from a bank or a government.
When it comes to assets of the future, I believe that the number one asset that people should have is Bitcoin. Definitely Bitcoin. And other cryptocurrencies, utility currencies that have a real ecosystem, a real business behind it. Why we say that? Because even VCs, even angels are coming in to get these sort of assets, especially Bitcoin, especially cryptocurrencies, or should I say private rounds of cryptocurrency.
Of future, cryptocurrencies would be one of the assets in the long term, in the next future, coming future. And Bitcoin leading the way itself, cryptocurrencies would also be part of that bandwagon as well.